Hey guys, it's your girl again. If this is the first time we are meeting, my name is Fadumiye Oluwatoyin. So in this short tutorial, I am going to make peace between you and your conductor, you and your driver, and some other market persons you are spending rough money with. Look at this, and it has, So in this tutorial, I am going to show you how you can use just this gum. I am a shoemaker and I'm using it beyond leather works. I'm also using it to amend my money, making it presentable to spend. So here is a rough money, and I am just dismantling it. It was taped with a sellotape. So after removing it, here is it. I can refer to it as money repair. Here is a cutting board that I dip into the gum, and just little of it apply on those edges. Do same to the other side, just slightly and neatly. Don't allow it to stain the body of the money. So, and after this, I just have to put something on the money this way to allow it to dry. So in few minutes, a minute is okay, or seconds if you are in a hurry to spend it, then you place it this way carefully, and that is it. You see, as simple as this. I'm using my hammer to hit it down. In a case where you don't have hammer around, it doesn't really mean. You just have to press it with your hand, and then the mark won't be obvious. Do you see? You buy whatever you want to buy. Here is the nylon money. The gum is applied already, so and I've allowed it to dry, and I'm placing it on the right place. As you can see, it has been joined together, so it's good to go. That one has just a hole in the middle, and just the same method has been applied on them. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.